What up, Swag Squad? Okay, so this is my attempt to drink sparkling water without burping. So we have some Perrier, whatever you want to call it, sparkling water, and you could hear the carbonation. And you can see the bubbles. Okay, let's try it. Oh God. It's really hard to resist. I wonder if there's any consequences for not burping, like I die or something, because I don't know, carbon, I guess. I'm not too big on that subject. Man, it's yikes. I don't think I can. Okay, I would call that a success. A success. I haven't burped yet.